In today's fast world, our young people are facing a quiet crisis. They deal with depression, anxiety, and rising rates of suicide. Our students, our future is struggling to find the peace. That is why on 5th of January 2025, the Breath Energy Health Foundation was born. We are more than an organization. We are a mission with one powerful goal: to empower people's life. We focus on just two things: health and happiness. This movement is led by Master Pradeep Vijay, a respected spiritual science teacher. He studied IT in Australia, but his true calling came from 16 years of deep practice in the power of silence and breath meditation. He has already changed thousands of lives across 30 countries, but the work in India was just starting. Weeks after our launch, the world took notice. On February 26, 2025, Master Pradeep Vijay spoke at the United Nations office in Vietnam, sharing our message on a global stage. Our mission quickly grew across India. In the first months, Chakra Science retreats in Pune and the first self-realization workshop in Mumbai. We reached the heart of India's youth by visiting major universities in Tirupati, Venkateshwara Vedic University, Padmavati Mahila University, and Sri Venkateshwara Veterinary University. Our message instantly reached Coimbatore. BEHF conducted a meaningful workshop led by Master Pradeep Vijay at Shankara Educational Institutes. This session focused on empowering students through meditation, understanding about oneself, integrity, living a happy and meaningful life. Master Pradeep Vijay was invited as the special speaker for the annual gathering of Luji CBE chapter, Coimbatore. We were honored to conduct a powerful session at Avinashi Lingam Deemed Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women. This wasn't just a few events, it was about changing how schools work. At Gurukulam Global Residential School, the Vice Chairman Narsi Reddy Sir made the first school to add 5 minutes of meditation after every class. To reach everyone, we launched the BHF India YouTube channel, making the science of transformation available online all the time. In June, we started our first training of teachers program. Already 200 people from different parts of world have registered for this program. Master Pradeep Vijay's dedication is total. He takes sessions from anywhere, even airports or cars, but never misses one. Our spirit of service connected with the Vanam India Foundation, Coimbatore. They save trees, we save lives. Vanam India is devoted to saving trees and nurturing nature, while BHF is committed to saving lives and nurturing the human spirit. With aligned hearts and shared purpose, both foundations now look forward to collaborating for the greater good of planet Earth. In August, the movement began in Karnataka. We had a wonderful session at Aniketana Vidya Mandir School in Tumkuru. On 21st August, BEHF Vietnam had the privilege of organizing workshop led by Master Pradeep Vijay at Candles Kids Kindergarten at Hanoi, Vietnam, with the topic Happy Teachers Nurturing Happy Children. In just 1 year, we have reached over 20 plus colleges, 10 plus universities and many schools, transforming thousands of lives. We believe knowledge must be free. In every session, we gave away the gift of wisdom. Based on our work, we have given out an estimated 4,000 plus free hard copies of Science of Meditation book. We have also 2 official ISBN registered books, Health and Happiness and Successful Leadership and a Happy Living. And online, we have reached countless people by offering free PDF books that empowers the people's life. We continue to train leaders, most recently with a workshop for the faculty of Bangalore Integrated Management Academy. The medical world joined in. We partnered with VM Government Medical College to train their faculty in meditation. The movement keeps growing with powerful sessions in Pune and Solapur, Maharashtra, including the JSPM University, ISBM Engineering College, Vishwakarma College. We are delighted to share that BHF organized a special session in Pune for educators and teaching faculties. This session guided by Master Pradeep Vijay on the theme Stress to Strength, where participants received insights on practical ways to create work-life balance while staying energized, focused, and positive. Greatest change comes from a strong promise. After our workshop at Vishwakarma College in Pune, the Dean announced 2 huge changes. 5 minutes of meditation before every class, and a new course with credits on meditation, health, and happiness for all the students. At Colors Innovation Academy, Pune, the change is becoming permanent. Teachers trained by BEHF will now ensure every class starts with 5 minutes of meditation. This change is now part of the system. They say a single candle can light thousands more without losing its flame. Under the guidance of Master Pradeep Vijay, the Breath Energy Health Foundation is no longer just a vision, it is a movement. Our TOT students have become the torchbearers, carrying the science of the soul into the most corners of society. In Solapur, Maharashtra, Nehaji and her team stood before 400 eager souls at Marathi High School. A new academic culture was born. The response was so profound that the school has now invited us to make meditation a permanent part of their journey. In Pune, Krishnapalji and team visited a government hostel for tribal students. Here, 50 aspiring young women discovered that their breath is their greatest strength. Deepali ma'am and Poonam ma'am took BEHF to a residential school for children with low IQ in Pune city. They successfully introduced the science of meditation to teachers and students. In Tumkur, Karnataka, Anita ma'am walked into the district jail. To those behind bars, she taught the art of becoming thoughtless. She showed inmates how they can transform their life. The mission crossed borders to Malaysia. Our team met children who were forced to leave their homes, carrying the heavy weight of emotional trauma. But our TOT Malaysian participants reached out to them, taught them meditation and mindfulness to overcome. The different types of topics which are covered in TOT program are not only helping our participants, but it is transforming others' lives too. Meanwhile, Parotam ma'am and Girija ma'am at the Salem Institute reached the faculty who handle the most challenging disabilities by distributing books of science of meditation in Tamil language. In Chennai, Madhvi ma'am is taking meditation to the grassroots, reaching out to the local tuition centers to sharpen young minds. A mission that knows no borders. Today, the Breath Energy Health Foundation is touching souls across the globe through our dedicated TOT participants. From the streets of Germany and the United Kingdom to the vibrant communities of the USA, Singapore, Malaysia, and Qatar, our students have become the teachers. They are carrying the science of meditation to their own circles, providing that peace is a universal language. Behind every light that shines, there are hands that nurture the flame. We express our deepest gratitude to the pillars of BHF, our well-wishers, donors, and countless silent supporters whose love, trust, and contributions make this journey possible. You are the unseen strength behind every smile we bring. Together, we are shaping a brighter, peaceful world for generations to come. These amazing results come from less than a year of selfless service. A year ago, on 11th November 2024, on the occasion of Patriji's birthday, Master Pradeep Vijay and we joined the BEHF. To honor Patriji's timeless legacy, we launched a dedicated service this year on 11th of November 2025, the Meditation and Mindfulness Guidance, a profound opportunity for every truth seeker on the spiritual path. Soon we will launch online courses in yoga, happiness science, stress management. Our foundation is simple but powerful. Meditation and mindfulness. We speak the language of science. Our one mission is selfless service. Join us. The Breath Energy Health Foundation is here. The time for health and happiness is now.